For a stylish, relaxing beach getaway, Mainare Playa Hotel in Fuengirola is a fantastic choice. Located just steps from the beach, this modern hotel offers comfort, convenience, and great facilities in the heart of the Costa del Sol. The spacious rooms are bright and modern, many featuring private balconies with stunning sea views, the perfect spot to enjoy the sunset. The pool area is a highlight, with a large outdoor swimming pool and sun terrace, ideal for unwinding in the Spanish sunshine. And with Fuengirola's golden beaches just across the road, the sea is always within easy reach. Dining is effortless, with a buffet restaurant serving a mix of Mediterranean and international dishes, plus a lively bar for refreshing drinks throughout the day. For entertainment, the hotel offers live music and activities, while the vibrant bars, restaurants and shops of Fuengirola are just a short stroll away. With comfortable accommodation, a fantastic beachfront location, and easy access to local attractions, Mainare Playa Hotel is a great choice for a laid-back holiday on the Costa del Sol.